Welcome back to the cryptowrld channel, everyone. My name is Josh, and right now we've just seen the Bitcoin price drop below an importance level of support, but we are also seeing a brand new Bitcoin fractal potentially playing out right now. But just before I get into the Bitcoin chart, there is something very important I need to talk about, which is crypto scams on YouTube. Now, first of all, crypto scams running on YouTube are definitely not new. They've been happening for quite a few years now, but something much bigger just happened and it involved my channel, so I'm going to quickly explain what actually happened. First of all, how I found out about this. I was simply reading through some of the comments in my recent update videos here on this channel, and pretty much out of nowhere, I got a massive flood of comments coming in, basically saying, hey hacker, and give the channel back and stop hacking and all of that sort of stuff, and I had no idea what was going on. And then I started to see a reoccurring name pop up in all of these comments, and that was Kristian PH. So then what I did to try and find out what was going on was simply search up that channel name, and I found this video right here with over 30,000 views that was only just uploaded. And you can see here in the title that it basically says, I finally found the hacker who hacked Kristian PH. And this person put my channel in this video, and that left me with more questions than answers. So I decided to do a little bit more digging about this Kristian PH, and it turns out that is basically another big YouTuber on the platform that recently got his channel hacked, and the channel name was turned into ETH Live or something like that. And then I found one of these live streams happening with over 17,000 likes and thousands of people watching. And in case you are new to crypto or new to YouTube, this right here is clearly a scam live stream. They happen all the time, but normally they include people like Elon Musk or Vitalik Buterin or Cathie Wood, you know, big names in the crypto world, rather than smaller channels like mine, for example. But apparently these scam live streams that are running on YouTube are now starting to use some clips taken from my videos on this channel. And I want to make it clear that I have absolutely nothing to do with these other channels and these other live streams that are happening on YouTube. In fact, one of the reasons why I do not live stream on this channel is because of the massive amount of scam live streams on YouTube. Now, obviously, as soon as I saw this live stream happening on this other channel, I copyrighted the stream, basically bringing down the stream. And obviously, for those of you that already follow me over on my Twitter, you would know that I tweeted out this right here, basically alerting you about these scam streams that are happening at the moment. And it's great to see that both of these scam streams that I've found so far have been taken down, but please be aware of any future scams or hacks that might happen. And anyone who has been watching my channel for a while would know that I don't live stream. So basically, if you see any live stream and it's got me in the live stream, then straight away that should be a red flag. And also you can just check the actual channel that these streams are on, because obviously if I ever were to live stream, it would be on my cryptowrld channel, the one that is verified with over 100k subs. And so I just thought I should clear that up because of two reasons. The first and most obvious reason is so that you guys don't get scammed. And the second reason is because unfortunately all of this that is happening at the moment is basically ruining my reputation that I've tried to build up for quite a while. Once again, the longer term subscribers would know that I never shill scammy altcoins or scammy platforms or anything like that. In fact, with every video, I really try and put in the effort to build up a good reputation in this crypto space. And so when I'm seeing something like this happening, that is really damaging to my name. And I honestly hope that all of this gets cleared up very soon and this Kristian PH guy gets his channel back. And while we're on the topic of scams, I'll just quickly add in here that I only have one official Twitter and one official Instagram, and both of those accounts are using the username cryptowrld Josh. My Twitter currently has around 44,000 followers, and my Instagram currently has around 16,000 followers. And you can find a link to both of these official social medias in the description down below of this video and in the pinned comment as well. And if you see any other Twitter or Instagram account that looks like it's mine, but it is not the one that is linked down below, then that is simply a scammer trying to impersonate me, so please be careful. But anyway, now that I've gotten all of that out of the way, we can finally get into the actual content of this video, which is of course the Bitcoin analysis. And here we are on the 2-hour Bitcoin charts, just giving you a quick recap of what I was talking about yesterday. I was looking at this very small bullish divergence on the 2-hour Bitcoin chart, and that did play out in the immediate short term. But one potential warning that I let you know about yesterday was that if this bullish divergence plays out and if we see some more sideways price action in the immediate short term, then that would help reset the RSI back towards neutral values, giving us potentially some more room to the downside later on. And we have seen pretty much exactly that play out. Now taking a look at the 4-hour Bitcoin chart, and there is currently a very interesting fractal playing out right now. If I simply copy the Bitcoin price from the end of January this year up until around a week and a half into February, and then if I simply invert this price action and compare it to what is happening right now, you can see that there is a lot of similarities between the current Bitcoin price action and this previous inverted Bitcoin Bitcoin price action. Now, obviously, nothing is 100% guaranteed, but if this inverse fractal potentially continues to play out, then Bitcoin could possibly still be in for a bit of short-term bearish price action before we reach some sort of short-term bottom and a possible bounce back to the upside within the next 1 week or so. And if you're looking at where this fractal suggests a possible Bitcoin bottom, that would be coming in at around that $36,000 price range, which is where we've already found some strong support previously. Now, giving you a quick update on the 12-hour Bitcoin chart, the parabolic stop and reverse indicator is still sitting in the red, of course. And obviously, for those of you that have been watching these update videos, for the past few days, we have been prepared for this bearish price action due to these bearish signals we are seeing in the shorter term. But looking in the price oscillators on the 12-hour chart, they are still trending to the downside, but the 12-hour RSI is getting very close to oversold territories. And the last time the 12-hour RSI entered into oversold territories, that was around the 20th of January approximately. And only within the next couple days, we reached this local bottom for Bitcoin. Also on the daily Bitcoin chart, we currently have two important levels of support that I mentioned yesterday. And this first support level, which was coming in at around 39,500, has obviously already been broken to the downside, but we're still yet to see a daily candle close below that level. But either way, I'll be focusing on this next level of support, which is coming in at around 37,000. And if you remember, this inverse Bitcoin fractal that we just talked about, that was suggesting a bottom at around 36 to 37,000. And of course, looking at the larger timeframes here on the 4-day Bitcoin chart, this gives us a good view at the bigger picture. And this parabolic stop and reverse indicator on this 4-day time frame is still sitting in the green, and you can simply see what happened all of these other times where we were seeing green in the parabolic stop and reverse indicator, and that was simply a bullish signal for Bitcoin here on the larger time frames, not necessarily in the shorter term. Anyway, if you made it this far in the video, please make sure to leave a like down below, and if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on for more updates just like this every single day. Also, please be on the lookout for more crypto scams, especially if they include me, and feel free to let me know in the comment section down below or over on my Twitter if you come across any, because I am actively checking both of those, and as always, I appreciate all of your support. But anyway, that is it for this update. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video.